students, today we are going to see chapter number 4, Cloud Computing, in which we are going to learn about to know what is meant by computing, means definition of cloud computing. Afterwards we will know what are the different types of cloud computing. Then we will understand the advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Afterwards we will learn how we can store services for storing and sharing our data on Google Drive. Then to know the use of Google Docs, and what is the use of Google Docs, Google Slides and Google Sheets. To convert an existing spreadsheet into Google Sheet. Afterwards, customize or format Google Sheet, means basically how we can deal with the Google Sheet, we will see. And last one is share and protect. These are our points we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's begin. First of all, what is meant by cloud computing? In simple language, cloud computing is a technology that allows users to store data and use application and utilities via the internet instead of their computer hardware. Means basically, instead of storing data into pen drive, CD or hard drive, we store our data on internet. Understood? Means on cloud. We can say internet and cloud are the same, correct? Basically we say cloud, but we can say internet also. So it is called as cloud computing. I will repeat once again. When we store our data via internet on cloud, it is called as cloud computing. What are the examples of cloud services? Google Drive. In this lesson we will see all the detail about Google Drive. Then another is Microsoft OneDrive, then iCloud, and last one is Dropbox. Basically Google Drive is provided by Google, Microsoft OneDrive is provided by Microsoft company, iCloud is provided by Apple company, and Dropbox is basically we can say provided by Samsung. Basically they use the most Dropbox option. Understood? See, what is the use of cloud computing? Allows people to access data in application from anywhere at any time. Anyone can access at any time and from any location, not from a specific location. If I had a pen drive, I need a computer, correct? But when we are dealing with cloud, there is no need of only PC. We can use on tablet, mobile phones, etc. And for accessing their resources, they need to pay services for what they use. Means see, some are free and some are paid. How we will distinguish that? We will see. There are three types of cloud services. First one is public, second one is private, and third one is hybrid. So what are the three differences? In easy and short language I will tell you. See, basically public services are the free services. Means these services will not charge anything from us. We can use it for the free. Best example is Google Drive, iCloud, AWS. Full form is Amazon Web Services. Short form is AWS, Microsoft Azure, and IBM Cloud and Sun Cloud. These are the examples of public services. Means they provide services for public, means free services basically we can say. But if I want more services, then they can charge. For basic example, in further topic we will learn that Google Drive provides us 15 GB of data, free data we can use. But if I want more than 15 GB, then I need to pay particular amount for that. Understood? So it is called as, and again one more thing, it is managed by third party cloud services, not by directly by the owners. It is managed by third party. These are the all points of public cloud. Now let's see about private cloud. See, private cloud is basically used by corporate companies, means big MNC company. Why big MNC company? Because which private cloud provide more security than public cloud. Why? Because public cloud is free, correct, and private is paid one. So it provides them more storage as well as more security. Understood? So no one can access the data. Why no one can access? Because their MNC company's data is sensitive data, correct. So that's why it provide them a firewall which protect their sensitive data, correct, sensitive data of the organization, not accessing to the third parties. Third parties means who are not related with that organization, correct, means we can say hacker, thieves or opponent companies, like that. And who uses hybrid? Hybrid uses both, means if I am a owner of an XYZ firm, I have only 10 employees and our work is also small, there is not much sensitive data in our company and we don't require much space, storage space. So which data we will use? We will use public cloud, correct. But after few years my company got bigger, got growth, that from 10 employees now I have workers about 1000 and now I am dealing with my sensitive data, correct. So now which service will I use? I will use private service. So that's why it is called a hybrid, based on the condition or based on the critical activities performed by the private cloud. See, means if I am performing what I am dealing with sensitive data, then I will go for private one. Understood? So depending on that, who uses this? Mainly financial and health sector and universities. Why? Because financial have our account number data, healthcare also have our data, and university have also our sensitive data. That's why. And what are the examples of this? Amazon, Microsoft, Google and NetApp Cloud. These are the examples of hybrid. We don't saw the private one. See, and private examples are HP Data Center, VMware and Dell Apex Private Cloud. These are the examples of private cloud services. Understood? Now let's see about the advantages. See, these are the more lengthy points. I will short them for you. First point is it reduce cost, correct. How it reduce cost? For example, instead if I want to buy a 15 GB of pen drive, correct, approximately 200 to 300 rupees it will be charged, correct, to buy a pen drive. But instead of buying that pen drive, if I create a Gmail account, I will get 15 GB of free of data, correct, storage, and in that also on cloud, correct. Then I am saving my money 200 or 300 rupees, right. So this is the first point. Main reason is pen drive can lost, pen drive can get damaged, pen drive can get corrupt. Do cloud network will any trouble for me? No, cloud network will never give me any trouble like that. So that's why we use cloud. So first one is it reduce cost, correct. Second one, it is online, so it will give me backup also, correct, means backup is there. For example, best example is WhatsApp have a option daily backup, weekly backup, monthly backup, customized backup, and last option is last option is no backup, correct. So it is backupping our data. What is meant by backup? In our first chapter we had seen that what backup and duplicate app use. If by mistakenly my data got deleted, I can recover that data, correct. So it is called as backup. Since we are storing it on cloud, so it is easy to backup. Understood? And now third point, for when we store anything on cloud, we can access it anywhere, anytime. Understood? So this one is the third point. Anyone can access it from anywhere. We can access it from not a specific location. Then fourth point is version cloud mismatch, means every time, see, when you use any application which is web based application or online application, if we don't update that application will not open. Every time when we want to open that application, the application should be in updated form. If it is not updated, it will not open. It will show you a notification, new update has been appear, please update it. Right, understood like that? So when we are using web based applications or online application, our app is always up to date, right? Then fourth one is many users can use that at a single time, correct? If for example there is a pen drive, only I can use at a time. If someone want to use it, I need to pass that pen drive to him, correct? But is it the same with the online? No, I just need to share my username and password. Anyone, n numbers of person can use that at a single time, correct? And last one is easy to share, means best example. If I want to share any data, then I will need to first plug in my pen drive or CD or hard disk, then I need to copy that and paste to whom I am sharing it, correct? But is this same with the cloud? No, it is not. In cloud we just need to share a single link, understood? With this just single link, many people can see my work, correct? Means with many people I can share my work, understood? Best example, if I want to share a movie from my pen drive to, for example, my 10 friends, it will take much time, correct? But instead of that, if I share a single link to my 10 friends or individual link to them, it is easy one, correct? Within a minute or within a second it will happen. So that's why advantages are, once again we will repeat. First advantage is cost is less, correct? I am saving my money. Second one is auto backup is there. Third one is app is always update, correct? Fourth one is anyone can access it. Fifth one is from anywhere anyone can access it. Sixth one is multiple people can access one link at a time, correct? And last one is, what was the last one? Last one is sharing. It is easy to share, correct? And now what are the, we had shown about advantages, now we will see what are the disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? First main disadvantage, always we need a internet connection, correct? Without internet can we access cloud services? No, we cannot. Internet must be there. This is the first one. Second point, security breach. What is meant by security breach? Means hackers or unauthorized persons are hacking my data, correct? For example, we can say thief. Online thieves are called as hackers. They hack our data and they copy our important or sensitive data. So first one is internet must be there. Second one, security breach can happen, means if someone can hack our data. Third one is we are always dependent on the provider, correct? For example, Google is providing 15 GB of data, but in future Google decided now I will not give you 15 GB of data, now I will provide only 5 GB of free data. Is there anything we can do with? No, we cannot do. Everything is in the hand of provider. We cannot say anything, understood? And last one is it is expensive, correct? Data is expensive. Again, if I am getting a habit of using that data, correct, 15 GB of space, but after few times that space got fill up, then I am addicted to online data, then I will need to upload more data, but there is no space. So what I will do, I will buy the online space, correct? So it will get expensive like that, understood? These are all the advantages, disadvantages and definition of cloud. I will repeat once again what we learned today. We learn what is meant by cloud servicing. What is cloud servicing? Storing our data online with the help of internet is called as cloud servicing, right? Then we saw about there are three types of cloud services. First one is public. Public is majorly free for the user, but if you want advanced feature, then you need to pay for that, correct? Examples are Google Drive, iCloud, AWS, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud and Sun Cloud. Understood? It is managed by third party cloud services. And second one is private. Private is basically used those who have sensitive data, those who want more security, right? And examples are HP Data Center, VMware and Dell Apex Private Cloud. These are the examples of private cloud. And hybrid based on our condition, correct? If there is critical data, then we will use hybrid service. If there is not, then we can go for public one. Who uses this hybrid? Finance companies, healthcare sectors and universities. What are the examples of hybrid cloud providers? Amazon, Microsoft, Google and NetApp Cloud. Then we saw advantages. What are the advantages? I am saving money, cost is low. Second thing, automatic backup is there. Third thing, always updated application will be there, correct? Then anyone can use it. Then anyone from anywhere can use it at any time. Then multiple peoples can use at a single time. Afterwards we saw easy to share, correct? And what are the disadvantages? Always we need a internet connection. Then security which can happen means hackers can hack our data, misuse our data. Then always we are dependent on the provider, correct? Provider can change rules also and then it can get expensive. First internet bill and second one we can, after addition we can get habit of using online things, so the storage data will be also there. Understood class? Thank you for today. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.